Hi, what's up guys? Welcome to the channel. Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to file taxes for Restaurant LLC using TurboTax. So the first thing to do is to determine your LLC tax classification. The IRS does not treat LLC as separate tax SEC. Instead, taxation depends on your LLC structure. So there are different structure of LLC. There's a single member LLC, multi-member, S corp election, and a C corp election. But for this guide, we assume that your restaurant is taxed as a sole proprietorship or single member LLC, which is the most common scenario for small business. So once you determine the LLC's classification, let's move on to the next step. The next step is to choose the right TurboTax version. Use TurboTax Self-Employed if your LLC is taxed as a sole proprietorship or a single member LLC. And TurboTax does not support Form 1065, that's a partnership or corporate tax return. For this, use professional software such as TaxArt or consult a tax professional. Step 3 is to gather your restaurant financial record. So gather all your record as the bank statement, payment processor reports, and your Form 1099K if applicable. You're also going to gather your expenses receipts and mileage log and your payroll records. Step 4 is to start your tax return in TurboTax. To log into your TurboTax and start or continue your tax return. Step 5 is to report business income and expenses. So answer questions about your income, select self-employed, and impute your total business revenue from your restaurant. Exclude reimbursement or non-taxable income. Claim business expenses, and you can use the TurboTax expense tracker to help you make the filing easier. Step 6 is to handle payroll taxes if applicable. So follow the on-screen step to handle your payroll taxes. And step 7 is to claim deduction specific to restaurants. So these are the list of deductions that can be claimed on your tax return. And step 8 is to review and file your tax return. So after entering all your information, review that they are all correct and file this electronically. So thank you and see you in the next one.